Welcome to Best Choice. The best La Roche-Posay is probably one of the most sought-after skincare brands globally, renowned for its dermatologist-developed formulas that cater to even the most sensitive skin types, offering effective solutions for a wide range of dermatological concerns, from acne and rosacea to dryness and aging, making it a trusted choice for millions seeking gentle yet powerful skincare. Number 5. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré Face Moisturizer. Discover the iconic French face cream that does it all. It's your daily essential for hydrated, supple skin. More than just a moisturizer, it primes your skin for makeup, leaving a smooth canvas. Use it as a day cream, night cream, or even a mask. Formulated with nourishing shea butter and soothing aloe vera. These natural ingredients work together to deeply hydrate and comfort your skin. Its gentle formula is perfect for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Experience the benefits of this beloved skincare staple. Join countless others who have made this their go-to skincare product. Achieve a healthy, radiant complexion effortlessly. What we like? This iconic French cream is a true multitasker. It hydrates your skin deeply while also serving as a perfect makeup primer. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and time-saving step in your routine, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a smooth canvas for makeup or a nourishing moisturizer. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love the design and features of this product. The product has many useful functions. Number 4. SeoulCeuticals 20% Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our potent Vitamin C Serum. It's formulated to brighten your complexion and reveal a healthier glow. This serum combines vitamin C with E and ferulic acid for enhanced antioxidant protection. It helps defend your skin against environmental stressors. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates your skin. Experience a plumper, more supple feel with every application. We believe in beauty that's kind to all. That's why our product is vegan and cruelty-free. See a noticeable difference as it works to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a smoother, more youthful look. Embrace the essence of Korean beauty. Achieve that coveted healthy glow with this expertly crafted facial oil. What we like? Experience a powerful dose of vitamin C with this serum. It's designed to brighten your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and give you that coveted K-beauty glow. If you're targeting dullness, uneven skin tone, or early signs of aging, this serum will be your new best friend. What people say. The serum has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively hydrates the skin, leaving it feeling plump and smooth. The packaging is user-friendly with a pump dispenser for easy application. Number 3. Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Serum. Discover the secret to a luminous complexion. Our potent serum is designed to brighten your skin, revealing a healthier glow. Infused with the power of vitamin C, this formula works to visibly improve skin tone and texture. Experience a revitalized appearance. Enjoy sustained brightness throughout the day. This serum provides a lasting glow that keeps your skin looking its best. Formulated for all skin types, it delivers powerful results without irritation. Achieve a smoother, more even complexion effortlessly. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for a radiant transformation. It's the perfect addition to achieve your skincare goals. See a noticeable difference in your skin's clarity and brightness. Embrace a naturally radiant look with consistent use. What we like? Achieve a visibly brighter and more radiant complexion with this serum. Its formula is crafted to deliver long-lasting luminosity and improve skin's overall appearance. If you desire a healthy, lit-from-within glow and are looking to combat dullness, this is an excellent choice for daily use. What people say. This is a great product for sensitive skin. It is very gentle and does not cause any irritation. I love the packaging of this product. It is very sleek and modern. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated and refreshed. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Micellar Cleansing Water. Discover the ultimate cleansing experience for your sensitive skin. Our micellar water gently removes impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Tired of stubborn makeup? This powerful yet gentle formula effortlessly lifts away all traces of makeup, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. More than just a cleanser, it hydrates your skin with every use. Experience a refreshed and revitalized complexion after each application. As a gentle face toner, it helps to balance your skin's pH without causing any irritation. Enjoy a soothing and calming effect. Formulated to be oil-free, it won't clog your pores. Its lightweight texture feels comfortable on your skin, making it perfect for daily use. Trusted by dermatologists, this micellar water is specifically designed for sensitive skin. It provides effective cleansing while respecting your skin's delicate nature. What we like? This micellar water offers a supremely gentle way to cleanse your skin. It effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping essential moisture, making it perfect for sensitive complexions. If you have easily irritated skin or are looking for a no-rinse cleansing solution that hydrates, this is the ideal product. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love the design and features of this product. The product is very effective and has many useful functions. Number 1. DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This TSA-approved set is designed for convenience and peace of mind on every journey. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: bottles, jars, sprayers, and essential accessories, all neatly organized in a transparent makeup bag. Customize your travel essentials with ease. Our innovative leak-proof bottles ensure your luggage and clothes stay dry and protected. The unique design allows you to use every last drop without any waste. Featuring a wide mouth design, refilling and cleaning these containers is a breeze. Easily pour thicker liquids and clean the inside thoroughly with the included brush. The no-drip valve on the cap guarantees a mess-free experience. Dispense the perfect amount of product every time, without any drips or spills. All accessories are packed in a compact bag, saving space and making them easy to carry. It's perfect for travel, vacations, plane trips, and camping adventures. What we like? This comprehensive travel bottle kit is your ultimate travel companion. With its TSA-approved, leak-proof silicone containers, you can bring all your favorite toiletries without worry. If you're a frequent traveler or planning a vacation and need a reliable way to pack your liquids and creams, this set offers convenience and peace of mind. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The design is very user-friendly and the features are excellent. It has a lot of useful functions that make it stand out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.